Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to get compensation if your flight was delayed due to a late arrival. Many people don't know this, but if your flight is delayed for more than 3 hours, you can be entitled to compensation. The process may seem complicated, but with the right guidance, you can easily claim what's owed to you. We'll walk through the steps using a service that specializes in this, and it's incredibly simple. Often, airlines won't tell you that you could be entitled to hundreds of dollars in compensation, and that's where this video comes in handy. Let me guide you through the process of getting compensation for a delayed flight. First, check if your flight qualifies for compensation. If your delay was over 3 hours and the airline was responsible, like due to technical issues or crew problems, you may be entitled to compensation. Flights within the EU or those involving EU carriers are subject to EU Regulation 261/2004, which protects your rights. Here's how you get started. The first step is to gather your flight details. You'll need your booking reference and some basic flight info. Next, go to a service like the one I'm showing in this video to help you process your claim without any headaches. This service will handle all the heavy lifting, including dealing with the airline on your behalf. To make things even easier, there's a partner service linked in the description below. They're experts at getting you your compensation quickly and efficiently. Just click the link, fill out a few details, and let them handle the rest of the process. Remember, airlines are legally required to compensate you for delays if they were at fault. So if you're eligible, there's no reason to miss out on what's rightfully yours. Click the link in the description to get started on your claim now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with anyone who might need it.